This is not the Tecno Phantom X2 Pro. It's the more affordable version, the Phantom X2 5G. Both the X2 and the X2 Pro are very similar, not just in design, but the specs. In fact, just looking at the spec sheet alone, the Phantom X2 5G seems to have better value. It has the same flagship grade processor as the Phantom X2 Pro. So let's find out what the Tecno Phantom X2 5G has to offer in our full review. My name is Yudi, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Returning subscribers and first timers, a huge welcome to my first video of 2023. And if you're not yet subscribed, do subscribe, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. We are aiming for 15,000 subscribers this year. Also like the video so YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Okay, so let's start with what we get in the box. It's not your conventional smartphone box, it's way bigger. Sliding it out, we see it's divided into different compartments. But first, we get the phone. Inside one of the smaller box, we get a 45-watt charging brick. Inside the other box, we get a Type-C cable and Type-C wired headphones. You know what that means? There is no headphone jack. Still inside the box, we get a SIM ejector tool, a 12-month warranty card, and a case that has a trick up its sleeve. The Tecno Phantom X2 5G looks good. The cameras are big, it's a unique design, and the rear finish is great. It's a matte finish and it feels really nice in the hands. This is already my favorite smartphone design of 2023 so far. The camera bump is glossy though, and that will attract fingerprint smudges. Now, still on the design, let's talk about the case. The ring around the camera bump can open up, which can then be used to prop up the phone when watching videos or movies. That's well thought out. Tecno's design team did a job well done. 5-star design. I really like the design on this phone. Now, the rear of the phone is made of plastic and it curves into the metal frame. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, however there was no mention of water resistance. The power button and the volume rockers are in their usual positions. At the bottom of the phone is a speaker grill, the Type-C port and dual 5G SIM card slot. There is no headphone jack on this device, so if you want to use headphones, you are going to have to use the Type-C port or go wireless. The fingerprint scanner is under the display and it is pretty quick. It's an optical scanner and yeah, it works well. There are no stereo speakers on the Phantom X2, which is a bummer, just the one mono speaker. The display on the Phantom X2 5G is big, but it doesn't feel big. It feels normal in my hands. It's 6.8 inches, it's also AMOLED, it has a 120Hz refresh rate and 1080p resolution. The display feels very smooth and fast, perfect for gaming. It's a sharp display, but I don't like the colors and contrast. I feel it needs more contrast and saturation. Still on the display, the bezels are slim, which is a good thing. The display also gets pretty bright. I was able to use it outdoors under the Nigerian sun. The Phantom X2 is running Android 12 on HIOS 12. There are still tons of bloatware apps, but I did not see any ads while using the phone. Tecno has done what we've been begging them to do for years: software updates. Tecno promised 2 years of major software updates for the Phantom X2 5G. Well done, Tecno. So this phone should get up to Android 15 if I'm not mistaken. Performance on the Phantom X2 is the main highlight for this phone, at least for me. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000, built on a 4nm process. This phone feels like a proper flagship device. There is no stutter or lag on this device, just smooth and quick. Here are the Geekbench scores: 1243 for single core and 3959 in multi-core. This phone did better than the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra in both single core and multi-core. Now, pair this performance with a 120Hz display and you have yourself a solid gaming device. Battery on here is also good, a 5160 mAh battery. This can easily last you a day or even 2 days on light use. And we also get really fast charging, 45 watts of fast charging, which will get the Phantom X2 5G from 0 to 100% in 60 minutes. The only thing left now is the cameras. We get a triple rear camera, a 64 megapixel rear camera with OIS, a 13 megapixel ultra wide, and a depth sensor. Now up front is a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Now for some reason this ultra wide shot gave this red hue. I don't know why, but shots from the main camera were really good. There is no telephoto camera on here, so we get 2x digital zoom, which is actually decent. This ultra wide shot was really muddy. I'm not a fan of the ultra wide camera. Portrait shots look good. Edge detection is decent, but it made my skin really dark in these shots. I like the portrait images from the Phantom X2 5G, but it's a tad bit over sharpened. Again, there is no 2x telephoto lens for closer portraits, but this is what it looks like using the 2x digital zoom. It still looks pretty good. Normal selfies and selfie portraits also look really good.
Hey guys, how is it going? So this is the selfie video of the Tecno Phantom X2 5G, currently shooting in 1080p resolution. So let me know what you think of the video quality and the audio quality as well. Now I'm going to be taking the phone outdoors to see how the video quality improves. So let's go. Hey guys, so this is a selfie video test of the Tecno Phantom X2 5G. So let me know what you think of the video quality and the audio quality in the comments below. There's a lot of noise going on, so it is a good test for the microphone's quality. So let me know what you think of the video quality. Looks very good, I can see that. But let me know how the microphone sounds with all the noise going on around me. Yeah.
So that's the Tecno Phantom X2 5G. Very good flagship from Tecno. Cameras are solid, really cool design, very good display, software updates, and performance is through the roof. The only con is the lack of stereo speakers, and if that doesn't bother you, then this would be a fantastic phone for you. In my next video, I'll be making a comparison between the Phantom X2 5G and the Phantom X2 Pro. So make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss that video. Also, don't forget to give this video a like. My name is Yudi, this is Yudi Shoe. Thank you so much for watching, and you'd see me in my next video.